getting out there, sharing a day together as one, building the bond with a Crosman Airgun. Year after year, daughters and dads, father and son, building the bond with their Crosman Airgun.
It began 75 years ago. That was when a man named Patrick Murray, a construction contractor from Rochester, New York, brought home an air gun from a European trip. But it was his chauffeur, William McLean, who became fascinated with the gun, and he worked hard perfecting its pumping mechanism. In 1923, McLean took his improved air gun to a man named Crosman. He was a successful merchant in the seed business, and together they started the Crosman Rifle Company in 1923.
Making it safe, showing the way, learning a skill, spending good time together out over fields and hills.
Then, as today, safety and ingenuity are the bywords of this company. The passion for innovation and product improvement continues. In the 50s, Crosman introduced the BB gun with a CO2 gas-powered lever action. It was a first. 66 was the memorable year the Model 760 short-stroke compressed air rifle was introduced. By 1994, 7 million had been sold. Most recently, Crosman changed the standards of airgun safety forever by introducing the Cross-Block trigger block, which is now included with every airgun sold.
A great day in the woods, family affair, getting out there, it's fun, building the bond with a Crosman.
From air guns to slingshots, to the new pressure-made gas lantern and stove pressurizer, Crosman continues to bring families together by offering safe, innovative outdoor and recreational products to the marketplace.
Building the bond with a Crosman.
Crosman, building the bond, tomorrow and beyond.